Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to share a super useful tip that will help you get the most out of your print then cut space in Cricut design. If you often print images, designs or any custom graphics, you probably know how frustrating it is when Cricut automatically places them on the mat and usually ends up wasting a lot of space in your sheet. But there is my trick that makes a huge difference for me. I created a print then cut template that shows the exact maximum print area so you can manually arrange your images and fit a lot more on one page. Here I will show example how we can save the place on one sheet of paper and easy pack more images. You can download my template for free using the link in the description below. Just upload it into Cricut Design Space and use it as a guide to place your designs efficiently. I will leave a link in the description of this video and you can easily download it. Before you hit Make It, don't forget to select and attach all images. Here we have to move our template, then select all images and click Attach button. This method helps you save paper, save time and get more out of every print. I hope this little trick helps streamline your crafting as much as it helped mine. If you find this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe and let me know in the comment if you try my template. And if you are new to Cricut, be sure to check out my channel. I've got tons of simple and helpful videos to get you started. Thank you for watching and happy crafting, my friends!